Alright, so in this video I am going to be showing you how you'll be able to recover your lost pictures and your lost videos. Alright, just at one click. Alright, you'll be able to recover your lost pictures and your lost video, whether you have lost them for 6 months ago, 1 year ago, or you mistakenly deleted the videos or the images. If you follow this video to the end, you will be able to recover everything. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel right now, so that you will be able to get recent videos that we are going to be uploading to this channel. Alright, and they are going to be of a very big help to you. Is that okay? So the app we are going to be using for this is called DiskDigger. Alright, just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download DiskDigger. Let me show you. Go to your Play Store. This is my Play Store. Then you simply search for DiskDigger. This is it. DiskDigger. It opens. DiskDigger. You simply install. I already have it. That is why they are asking me to open. But if you don't have it, you click on install and the app will install. After that, you click on open, which I'm going to do now. I'm opening the app. So after opening the app, it is going to bring you to this interface where you have search for lost photos, and the second option says search for lost videos. Let's go for the videos first. Let's go for the photos first. I'll simply click on search for lost photos. If it is photo that I want to search for, I'll click on that, and it's going to bring me to my photos. As you can see, it's already searching for photos. Just a moment, and it's going to bring you to the photos that is here. All right, if you check here now, you are going to see different photos. All right, so I'll simply select the one that I want to recover. All these you are seeing here are lost photos that I've deleted. All right, if I want to, anyone that I want to recover, I'll simply click on it and have it back to my system. All right, so there's a photo I want to get right now. Okay. So I want to get this image back to my system. All right, you can see this image. This one, anyone you want to actually use, anyone you want to recover, because here it will bring you to both your recent images that are here and the ones that you've lost. You just scroll and see the ones that you are looking for, and then you recover it. So let's say this is the one that I want to recover. I'll simply click on it, mark anyone you want to recover, and if you want to recover all, you simply come here and click on select all, and it will automatically select all and you have it back. So after clicking on the one you want, you click on this place where you have recover. I'll click on it. Now it's asking you, how would you like to recover this file? So you want to tell them where you want them to store the file. You say save this file to an app on your device, such as email, Drop, and all of that, Google Drive. Where do you want it? Or you want to select a particular location in your phone where you want the app to go to. So I'll simply click on save file to a custom location on my device. So it will bring you here and ask you where exactly you want the file to be stored. All right, so you just select where you want. So I will click on let me see. Okay, I'll click on downloaded image, which is where I am right now. Okay, let me go to canvas, download. Let me go to download. If I save it here, it means that this image will be saved on my download list. I'll click on use this folder. You say allow. I'll click on allow. So let me save this particular one. Go to recover, go to save. It's on download. Let me choose that, allow it. File saving. You can see that successfully. file have been saved successfully. Click on no thanks and all of that. And the good thing about this app is very free. You are paying for nothing. You are paying for nothing. It is totally free. All right, so I have automatically recovered this particular image. You can go on and recover any image you want to recover. So let's go to video aspect. Are you sure you want to exit? Okay, let's just exit. Then go to search for lost videos. It's just the same thing that you did at the lost images. All right, you can see it is looking for lost videos. All right, so these are my images. All right, these are the images, the both lost and the one that are here. All right, so what I want to do is just to select the image that I want to use, or the image that I want to recover, as it were. So I just select the image that I want to recover. Okay, just a moment. Let me get of video that I want to recover. All right, you can see that DiskDigger has found 1441 recoverable files. 1441. So these are both the files that are still in your phone and the ones that you've lost. Everything have been recovered. So I'll say okay, then I'll choose the particular video that I want to recover. All right, let's say I want to recover this particular video that is here. I'll click on it. I'll click on this video. If it's the one that you just go around and select whatever you want to select. All right, so that's how basically it works. So I've selected this particular video. I'll simply click on recover. The same question, where do you want the video to be recovered to? I'll click here. Let me still retain my download, leave it at download. You can choose any folder you want. Then I'll click on allow. Saving successfully. Okay, you see it saved successfully. So to show you that I have recovered this, let me go and show you. Simply go to your files. Let me go to my files and show you. Okay, this is my files here. I click it, open. You can see that this is the video that I just recovered. You can see that.
Yeah, so what do you do for a living? I do my best.
You can see that this is the video that I just recovered. All right, and this is also the image that I recovered. This is the first image I recovered. This is the second image. Okay, this is the first image I recovered, and this is the second image I recovered. All right, you have seen that. This is basically how you can recover any form of image that you've lost, whether a year ago, 6 months ago, or you lost yesterday. Just use this system that I've shown you, and you'll be able to recover all your images and all your videos. All right, so that is it for this video. If this video has been of a blessing to you and you want to see this kind of video in the future, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you will be informed whenever we post new updates or new video in this channel. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube, they are going to let you know anytime we post videos like this. And also make sure you like the video so that more people will be able to see the video, and drop your comments at the comment section. Let's see how this video has been of a blessing to you. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. And if you want more question or any question in any field, just check the description. You are going to see much information that will be of help to you, or how you can be able to reach me on WhatsApp or any platform. Check the description, or you check the pinned message at the comment section, and you're going to get that. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.